Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can check as to which graphics card you are using on your Windows or what graphics card do you have on your Windows. So I'm going to share it to you three different ways on how you can check on that. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find system. Then you have to click on display and then you have to scroll down and you will find advanced display. Click on that. Here you'll find display adapter properties for display 1. So here you'll find this window. So I have the Intel RUHD graphics. So this is my graphics card driver. You can also find here the chip type, the DEC type, the BIOS info, the adapter string, and the total available graphics memory, dedicated video memory, system video memory, and the shared system memory. So I have the Intel RUHD graphics. Click on OK. Next method, make a right click at the start button and select Task Manager. Maximize this. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Performance. And here you'll find GPU. So this is your graphics card. Now we can find here I have the Intel RUHD graphics. You can find its activity in here. You can also check that from here and the overall performance of your Windows. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager under the best match. Now here in the Device Manager window, you will find Display Adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. So the same thing, I have the Intel RUHD graphics, and this is also where you can update your graphics card driver. Make a right click, select Update Driver, search automatically for drivers. If you are connected to an internet connection, now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. Or you can also update it manually. Make a right click, select Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and simply choose in here one by one as to what or which graphics card driver will work for you available on your computer. So that's it. That's how you can easily check what graphics card driving are you using on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.